let's sort this board out before we close for the day. So we have this board here, 5 volts, stock on 5 volts. So let me give me the charger and so let's check what we have. Here we have 5 volts, no boost line. Okay, so this board is this is M this M1 Air. Yeah, this M1 Air A20020116. This is an M1 Air. So when M1 Air systems are tends to always have shorts on always on line, because whenever the always on line is having issues, the system will be shorted and you will not have power on the system. So first of all, let's first of all check on the always on lines on this board. Excuse me. This is 010. This board is 02016. So let's check on my download. Let's check on my download. It's 20 dash 02016. Okay, so okay, so now the section that we're going to be looking at mainly are all these sections here, all these sections here. So this is 3.3 always on line. Okay, so let's see what we have here. 3.3 always on line. Okay, so let's see what we have on our continuity. If we have continuity beep on it. Which one? Okay. Touchable, non-touchable. Hmm? That's it. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, let me just continue to beep. So you can see that we are having shots on the 3.3 always on. So this line is shorted. So around around let me just look at this port to see if there's any physical damage first of all. Do you have any cap that is looking burnt? Such things are things that can result to system not having power. Everything looks nice. Everything looks nice. Okay, so let's go back to so what I'm doing now is I'm checking if there is any area that is having when a capacitor is bound, it tends to emit some kind of color. Not all actually, not all. So let's see something like let's touch this. Let's touch this. Okay, I think I've seen one. You can see here. So we are going to pull this capacitor up now and see. We're going to pull it up now and see if our shot is still present. I just placed order for my beat. You can see how short my beat is. This one has passed normal beat. This one is beat audio. So let's see. I believe this should be the error we are having here. How do I pull it out? Let me use ledge. Not everything we are going to be using workstation on. So okay, okay. So let's see. I always like to clean the surface well. So let me see if I can clean the surface with touch before fixing another one. It's too big. It's too big. Yeah, all the same. Yeah, it was connected to another chip. Uh, I'm going to use my I'm going to use my workstation now on this because my my soldering iron is not okay. So we are going to be let's first of all check if the shot is still present. First of all, okay. You can see here now that the shot has been pulled out. So this our cap here that is burnt is the faulty one. Where is it? Maybe I've tapped it. Oh, no need. Let me just part. Okay, so get me donor board. So let's take the chip, one of the cups. Well, she said he has already bought from us before, and he said the last time he bought from us, he bought it for 680. Okay, sorry, for 580. So he said if she can give him for that 580 again. I said he bought it from us from the last month, 580. I don't know. So it's still prices for that. It's still prices for that same 580. I don't know. Are we giving him? When did he buy that price? Ask him if it's that configuration. Hello, Carolina Nano. About Correct. Nano, but they look Carolina Nano. You will go. Okay, so you're allowed to cool. You're allowed to cool. Okay. Which time? Is it the same configuration you take that time? Is it the same configuration you bought for 5? You sure? From my hand. Okay. I have a friend here said I should fix the spot of JP3. Okay, let's go back to our board view. Can you please tell me the spot where JP3 is sited on the board view? If you are with me, can you tell me where the JP3 is sited on the board view? I'm seeing your message. Are you with your system? Tell me where the Yash Pratik. Tell me where the spot is sited on the JP3. Are you sure about that? You sure about that? System will corrupt if I turn it on. Actually, where we fixed was let me just do it this way. Where we fix is VDD main. Okay, on stream. Okay, yeah, app I'm using. Okay, wisdom. Go and get me the casing from Zidon. Tell him to give me the casing. Where's come? Where is the heat part, the heat sink? I tell him to give you everything. I greet you, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. On mobile processors, you need to fix first JP, then it will not make issues again. Okay. Of course you do. Yeah. All right, let me send you the. Let me send you. Yes. Yeah, sorry for that, sir. Very well, sir. Very well, sir. Okay, I'm sending it now. Mm. Okay, Yash Pratik, please can you tell me? You said on Marble Pro Series, you need to fix JP, then it will not make issues again. Can you tell me where we can start on that JP? Part of the board are we looking at, or do you have your board view with you so you can just tell me the board number where the JP is cited? The JP are you talking about? Is it the connector, the JP connection of the display? Okay, let me open it. Let me open it first. Let me open it. You're talking about this JP connection. Okay, let me open it and see. Okay, it's you can see it's clean. Also, the connector is also clean. Okay, let me clean it as you said. Look for M1 stuff for me. Yeah, you should have. Yeah, it's not there. Let me clean it up now. Let me just apply a little heat on it to dry it up. Let me also look here. Here is also clean. Okay, so let me connect the power, the charging port, and let's test. Let's check what we have. Yash, you can see it's on. You can see it's on. So we're going to be connecting our. The customer didn't send it. It's coming. The error is coming from the JP, as said by Yash. So we are going to be confirming the display line to be very sure that the error is not going to be coming again from the display line. Just hold. Let's take one out and do it. Is that M1 working? Hmm? Come couple this one. Give give anybody to couple it. Okay, okay. So, but if connected on the display, but how are we not sure that the error is coming from the display line of the system because the customer sent only the motherboard? I'll do it. I'm coming. I'm busy now, and then I'm on live. I'll do it. Okay, we are waiting for the housing that we are going to use to set it up. Okay, we are waiting for housing that we are going to use to set it up. There is no free one now, so tomorrow we're going to call customer to send the housing, so we'll confirm it and be sure that no other error is on it. So by tomorrow we are going to be shutting down for today. So guys, thank you. Okay, you've seen one. What system is this? Hmm? So how did you guys jack this thing that this flex is corrupted or what? What will I say? This one is on, so let me know what the problem is. Do we have a display on this? Hmm? LCD. At least if it's manageable now, so we can have a check on the display line. There's if it's not manageable, there's no need of using it. So no need. The screws I'm saying, how do you do this thing now? You need to keep these things roll. So just guide it and keep back. Tomorrow we'll couple the system. So guys, good night. So thanks and